This is a video on how to identify minerals. First, let's start off by saying that a mineral is not a rock. A mineral is pure. A rock, on the other hand, is a mixture of minerals. There are 5 certain criteria that a mineral must meet. It must first be natural. A mineral may not be man-made. Second, a mineral must also be a solid. Third, a mineral must be inorganic. Inorganic meaning it is not alive and it never was. A mineral must also have a definite chemical composition. And finally, it must also have a crystal structure. One of the steps in the process of identifying minerals is the question of, does it have cleavage or does it have fractures? A cleavage in a mineral is the breaking along a flat plane or surface, like mica, feldspar, or calcite. A fracture, on the other hand, is a breakage that is not flat, it is uneven and irregular, much like what we see here in quartz. Another step in the process of identifying minerals is testing out its hardness. For this, we use Mohs hardness scale, which gives us a guide to the minerals and their hardness levels. We can also use what they call scratching tools, and as we can see here, they have the fingernail, which is 2.5, a copper coin, which is 3.5, glass, which is approximately 5.5 to 6, and then steel, which is a 6.5. One that is also not here would be the final one, which is 7, which goes with the streak plate. If a mineral scratches a streak plate, it is harder than 7. A streak plate is also used in the identification process of a mineral. Minerals leave a certain color of streak that can help in the identification of said mineral. We can also use the metallic luster as identification, like here in pyrite, or a dull earthy luster, yellow, which serves in the identification of sulfur. There are other also significant things that can help in the identification, like sulfur will always be bright yellow and stink like rotten eggs. Or like mica here, that will break off into thin sheets